I wonder what they're watching. Robert.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, we're gonna go to Lucan and get something to eat. Maybe. Let's see what they have in here. I don't know. Oh, you're not open? Okay.
So here take care of you.
To go? Yeah.
So after masking,
Hmm?
so wait 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Yeah, wait.
Okay, I'll come back. I'll come back. All right, thank you. I'll come. I'll come. All right, so we are headed to exchange some money. So we're going to the money exchange. House of Wonders. Yeah, we're gonna go there. It's not that far from here, so let me pick back up as I get closer. Hopefully, I brought my passport. A lot of times you go to places, they want you to see your passport just to exchange money. So anyway, I'll let you know if that's if you need it. I mean, usually I use the ATM, but I got some extra cash, and I don't feel like going to the ATM. So, all right. Let's go to the exchange right now. All right, here's the exchange right here. I mean, it's probably more than one, but here's one. It's right close to the old fort for references. Uh, 2346. Okay. So, I don't know. It might be open. Let me go. They might not see where it's going on. All right, that was quick, guys. No passport needed, which is rare because everywhere else I go, they always need the passport. So, Ocean Grill right here. Again, I got a taste for a burger. Hey, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. How you doing?
My food is good.
That's right.
You are welcome. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine. You are welcome again.
Thank you. Check out my view. Very nice. Yeah, just some break. Yeah, you go ahead. You know, I was wondering how they get some of those boats up there. You know, it's go away and see boats in the water, then all of a sudden I come back the next day and see boats all up on the shore, and I was wondering how they got up there. I wasn't sure if it's tide just brought them up, they just did it manually, but you can see right now, that's what they're doing. They all working together to help each other out to bring the boat up. I don't know if they do that every day or what. That's just yeah, it's kind of wild. But I appreciate that. And it's funny that goes along with the tide. The tide can be high or low from day to day. I mean, that's one thing I did notice about that I have noticed about Zanzibar, and I think I've seen pictures of it in Tanzania. I mean, excuse me, in Dar es Salaam side, mainland, where the water can be right close to the boardwalk right here one day, and the next day it can be way out there. Now today here it's not. Yesterday it was close to the boardwalk, but today we almost got like a little walking spot right here. I mean, it wasn't no beach yesterday, but now it's kind of a beach. So I guess it goes from day to day. You know what I mean? Yeah, look at that tide there. Just wow. Yesterday, the water was right here. Just yesterday. Definitely probably gonna rain today, I can tell you that. Or it may not. I mean, it's so unpredictable around here. But like I said before, the rain doesn't really impede your exploring this island. Yesterday was the first time it actually rained for about maybe 40, 50 minutes, I guess. But then again, it was sunny and warm the rest of the day. Yeah. It's hot, just so you know. It's very, well, it's not humid. It's definitely hot. But it's a nice breeze, so it's not too bad. And it's cloudy, so that helps a lot. Because the sun is definitely hot here.
Hapa si mnatoka?
Wewe shida yako itoke hili kwa hiyo.
Eh. Wanafanya hivi sio? Eh? Viji. Fadhila wanacheka tu. Hapo si natoka fresh?
Inatoka.
Haya. Bichi sasa.
Ah, bichi.
That's the most. It is.
Decided to eat here at Zenji Garden Cafe. This is what it looks like in the evening time. How you doing? I'm good. I'm good. All right, this is what it looks like in the evening time when they set up. I mean, some of them are already open, but they normally don't start till like 7 o'clock. This is like 6 something now, so. But yeah, they pretty much just sitting up, right? Well, actually, a lot of them are already set up, to be honest with you. So it's almost 7 o'clock. It's about 6:10 now. But this is kind of what it looks like in the evening time. Yeah, see, as you can see right there, some people are just not sitting up. Some people are already set up. Some of them probably been out here a little while already. So. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and Cafe Arrow. No, that's a different place. This is called something else here. Choco, Zanzibar. I don't know what they serve. Ice cream, day special, prawn wrap, chicken wrap, sandwiches, fish and chip. Okay. Octopus and chips, calamari and chips, prawns and chips. I don't know. There's a lot of people out here today. It's Sunday, by the way. You know, Sunday is universal no matter where you go. People just hanging out, family day, people, visitors, family, people live here. I think they got it. What the menu look like here. I already shared the menu before, but